Dolly 2025 Endings Plan. A couple goes hiking. One of them does not make it back, and the other one, she barely makes it back as herself. Let's talk about Dolly because this one has an ending that hit a lot harder than most people expect from a backwoods slasher. Chase wants to propose to his girlfriend, Massey, during what's supposed to be a romantic teenage hike. Sweet ride, except Massey already carrying something heavy before they even hit the trail. She been quietly treating the idea of becoming a stepmother to Chase's daughter. That anxiety, that specific fear about being forced into a role she not ready for, that not just backstory, that is the whole movie. Because when Dolly gets her hand on Massey, that's exactly what she does, force her into a role. Dolly is a touring figure in a cracked doll mask, and she operates like something straight out of nightmare fairy tale. She does not just capture people, she collects them. She drags Massey into her house, dress her like a little child, and lay her out in a nursery. Her entire thing is wrapped up with motherhood. She wants children and she will take them however she can get them. The house is full of dolls. Some of the victims you start to realize have been here for a very long time. Chase, meanwhile, gets lured into the woods by the kind of distant, eerie music that should make any reasonable person run the other way. He does not run the other way. Dolly Sowell makes sure that the last mistake he makes. Now Messi is alone in a house that is trying to turn her into someone else. And this is where the film stops being about survival and start being about identity. At some point, Messi makes it to the basement. She terrified, but she goes anyway, and what she finds down there among the dolls is a severed human head. She also finds a key, hope and horror, some room, some moment. That's the rhythm this movie runs on. She gets the key, she finds a way out, she breaks through a window, and then, right as she reaches Chase in the woods, right as she thinks the nightmare might actually be over, Dolly appears and kills him in front of her. And then something happens that changes everything. In the struggle, Massey tears away part of Dolly marks underneath it, a horrible, burned, charred face. We don't get an explanation, we don't get a backstory monologue, we just get that face and then it's gone. But what it tells us is that Dolly is not some supernatural monster. She person a ruined one, a person who was burned and broke and built a family out of who she could trap. Massey grabs a shovel. She used the body of a previous victim as a shield. She fight back and she actually subdue Dolly. She run. She get far enough into the wood that she find a park ranger for one brief sound. The movie lets you think she going to be okay. Dolly decapitates him. There is no safe place, there is no cavalry, there is just Massey. The ranger's truck and everything she has left, she gets in the vehicle, floors it and runs Dolly down. And then she drives, shaking, laughing, crying both at the same time, the way people do when the adrenaline is still screaming and the grief has not fully landed yet. And in that moment, she picked up Chase engaged ring, the one he never got he gave her, and she slid into her own figure. That's the shot the movie wants you to sit with. Not a Proof had first pump, not a clean rescue, just a woman, Urag and Beryl, who claiming the life she almost lost on her own term in her own time for himself. She did not escape as Chase' future wife, she did not escape as Dolly child, she escaped as Messi. After everything that house tried to do to her, and that's the win. It's good and it's devastating and it's exactly right. But stay through the credit because the post credit scene has cops at the scene and one of them mentioned that a human in doll mask was found nearby. Dolly is not dead. The movie does not tell you what happened next. It just makes sure you know the story is not over. And that over is listening to that cop report of camera has a very personal reason to care. Dolly 2 has not been confirmed, but the ending is not an accident, that's a promise. I hope you understand the full Dolly 2025 endings plan. Meet next video. Bye bye. See you.